Donut.
Donuts?
Sim.
Sim. Are you sure?
Secret.
Sim. You think, James?
Donut.
Good. So, we're gonna make what? What are we making?
Donut. Donut.
Donuts?
Yes.
Okay. Let's make some donuts. First thing, milk, egg.
I want to put it
Okay. Just how bad?
on the plate.
Okay.
My
What is that?
God.
Milk and egg, right? Okay. What is this thing?
Coffee.
Hmm?
Coffee milk.
No, smell it.
Ew. Yes. No?
This is yeast. A little bit of yeast does a lot of things. So see all that yeast in there? Gotta make sure we scrape it. All in there.
Is that the butter?
Hmm?
Is that the butter?
Nope, the butter's last actually.
This one?
Nope.
This?
Yes, but first we have to mix, okay?
Yeah.
Max, keep your belly. Keep your belly. Let me help you, okay? Mm-hmm. My hands are dirty, yeah. See, my hands are dirty with flour. Sugar and salt.
I'm putting it by myself.
Okay, be careful. Jaxie, you want to add a butter, buddy?
Yes.
Come. Come down there. Get the butter.
Be careful.
You got it. There you go. Get the butter. Yes.
Again. My favorite holiday. No, my favorite. Ooh.
Look, Jackson.
Pig? Pig?
The dough. See, look.
Is it bello?
Mm-hmm.
Is it bello?
You're right. See, look.
Me too. Me too. Dad, remember when I was in this?
Look. Let's see if we can slap it harder. Go, Jack. Slap it.
My turn. My turn. Okay. My turn. Like that. My turn.
Okay. Now kneading. Let me show you. See, look. You gotta go back and forth. Back and forth.
Okay.
We're gonna roll now, but very gently, okay, guys? Very gently, okay?
I heard you say the secret.
Okay.
Donut.
Daddy's gonna do the first one.
Okay.
Okay. so I can show you what to do.
Why do we need milk?
That's not milk, that's the glaze.
It doesn't look like glaze.
That's the glaze, dude. Okay, ready?
Yes. I want to make it chocolate.
I'm gonna show you how to make it, and then you do whatever you want to yours, okay?
Donuts.
Daddy's gonna
Or we can
glaze
make-
2, okay?
Or we can make glaze and chocolate like half. Whoa. Okay, now I can put the sprinkles. Yay.
What a mess.
What a mess.
What a mess, right, Jaxie?
What a mess.
What do you think, James?
Donuts.
Good?